Let's have a look in here then. There's a big maggot that's eaten my burger, some chewing gum, and a model of the swampling. I wonder who that little weirdo is. Hey, kid! I said, hey, kid!
Here you are, sonny. Have a voucher.
What an oddball.
At the Swamp Things, we can also organise...
Excuse me?
Yeah,
What's with the circus tent?
this marquee is where the king is holding the trials for the post of replacement royal wizard. Would you like to enter?
What happened to the old one?
It was terrible, really. One moment he was kneeling in front of the king to be knighted, and then he must have slipped or something, because the next he was accidentally, tragically beheaded. You'd be amazed how many times that's happened. So, do you want to enter?
Does a spider have 6 legs? Course I do.
Actually, being of the class Arachnida, the common spider, Arachnida vulgaris has 8 legs, arranged in 4 jointed pairs, these being located on the thoracic region